So the here welcome, this is the second video. Here the text information, how you can collect and submit your text information. So answer this question below and determine what text information we need you to if you need your assistance. So the question number one is, what is your text classification? So it's individual. I've already selected in our previous video. So this field is preferred with the information provided in the earlier step. If you want to update it, and yeah, go to the business owner info section. So are you a US citizen, US citizen, permanent residence, green and holder, are the US resident, or alien? So are you the US citizen? So I'm not, so that's why I'm just clicking on no. Here at the next option is appeared. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or the person receiving payout on behalf of another person? So I'm clicking on no because I'm receiving my payment through myself, so that's why I'm selecting this option. Simply click on next option. So these are the my name is appeared here, country, so I'm selecting my country here. You can select your own country. Your text identification number is already appeared, non-US 10. So here you can click on the next simply. So I'm clicking on next. These are the details I've already entered in a previous video. So the details are already entered, so I'm clicking on next. Here you can just add up your address. So I'm just already selected and write it my address here. So after that you can click on next, and this is the provide additional details for electing your services. The information provided and determined in the income that constitute US source income subject to the US taxation. We'll rely on the response provided in the interview, and information will be detailed regarding to the services until you notify us of any changes in writing. So location of where service will be physically perform 0% service, physically 100% our service will perform. So I'm clicking on the 0% services will be physically performed inside the United States. So I'm clicking on next here, the consent and sign. So I'm signing in here, certified here, signing in here with a full name. So I'm entering my full name here. This is just like a signature. So I'm just in the full name, and the date of putting modify, and the date and detail before after the fitting your time zone. So this is the time zone already collected, already selected. I'm clicking on next. So and after clicking on next, this form text form is being generated by Facebook. My address, my name, my country, and all details. So I'm not able to edit anything because this is the final text information, w8 bin file. So here all the details are mentioned and done. So I'm just submitting the form. When I click on submit the form, so the form is, the text form is successfully submitted here. You can see this file is submitted successfully to be in the age of these things. So this is already selected and done, and it's take too much time. Here you can see the 10 and all the details is you can update it and further, and your text information is complete. So it's completed, and your text information has been validated successfully. No further action is required at this time. So my text file and text information has been verified. So I'm clicking on done. So after that you can see here my text info for this account has been successfully done. So I'm clicking on done. So after that this error will be removed soon, because my setup is completed. So I'm refreshing it. So here you can see the error is removed because my text information has been filled. So I'm clicking on this here. You can has been set up. You can pay it once you earn $100. So you can see here my notification is appeared from Facebook that you have successfully submitted your these things. So these are the basic things that we discussed before and after previous videos. So this is the creator